Which Roblox UGC creators make the most money? In this video, we're going to be going over the top earning creators, the top earning items, and other crazy facts. The source of most of the information in this video is from UGC Tracker, a game by King of Hungary. And as you see here, the game basically has these billboards showing you the top stats for loads of UGC related stuff. And kicking it off, we have the top earning UGC creators. And here you can see Bunny. They have over 44 million sales on their items. And with very little research, coming over to the catalogue here and searching for stuff by them and filtering it to best selling of all time, you can see here their top selling items. And almost everything they sell is 75 Robux. However, some things are more, some things are less. But if we take 75 Robux as an average number, 75 times 0.3, and what this does is it calculates the fact that Roblox takes 70% of UGC revenue. That equates to 22 Robux per item, and times this by 44 million, and that brings us almost 1 billion Robux. This creator has probably managed to make over 1 billion Robux. I bring this over to a DevX calculator. 1 billion Robux equates to almost $3.5 million. Isn't that crazy? And if we do the same here for Rush X, the second creator with only 2.5 million sales less, all their stuff is priced at a very similar price range around the 75 Robux mark, and we can very easily assume they've made over $3 million off of UGC. Unfortunately though, this game doesn't show you every UGC creator. It only shows ones who want their sales public. People like Maplestick used to be at the top, and I'm pretty sure he's very high up. I think he will be number one by a long way still, but his sales are private now, which means that we can't see how much he has made. However, it is many, many millions of dollars, and of course, billions of Robux. And shuffling just over to the right here, you can see the top earning star creators. You have Tanker with 8 million sales. I'll let you guys dive into the revenue yourself if you want to have a look at how much these creators exactly make. However, 8 million sales is a lot, especially for a star creator. And runner-up is Rainway, and also we have this Annie L ECAT01 at third. But look at how high Tanker is. Tanker's literally storming ahead. This is also the top groups, so groups with UGC items. And what's crazy about this is groups with UGC items have only been around for about 18 months. UGC for creators has been around for years, but only for groups, only about 18 months. So it's nearly 10 million here on this Ori's group, which is so many. And finishing it off here, we have the top selling items. And as you can see at the top, we have the elf ears with white piercings, almost 5 million sales. These things are 79 Robux. And just this item alone will have earned around $500,000. And it looks like there's quite a few of them, which means there could literally be millions of dollars made just off of recolors of this item. And don't forget, if you're enjoying this video and finding it informative, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, especially related to UGC. And if you want to support me that little bit more for just a small amount a month, check out that join button. But anyway, getting on here, and coming in this number 2 spot, there is Bubble Gum Candy 1.0. With over 4 million sales, these items are making hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions and millions of Robux just for simple items. This is how crazy the power of UGC is. And even then at number 3, we have Tanker's Shoulder Buddy, which is 3 million sales. This accounts for almost half of Tanker's 8 million, which is just crazy to me. And what surprised me is that in the top 3, there wasn't a single rainbow cartoony item. Here at number 4, there are the Gamer Wings, which are like rainbow cartoony wings. However, there's no cartoony or rainbow cartoony stuff anywhere around the top 4, bar a couple like the cartoony head. But look, it's all actual stuff. And that's it for the video. The video on screen now will show you exactly how to become a UGC creator if you want to make millions of Robux for yourself. So check that out if you want to become one. But anyway, I'll see you in the next video.